This is my new MacBook Pro 2020 with M1 chip. My screen is broken. Uh, I just closing lid of my Mac and sudden my pen is came between my screen and laptop. Then screen is broken. Take a look at broken screen. So it's broken from inner side. The outer glass is not broken and it's fine. It's not broken, but the inner part of screen is broken and screen is not working now. And my laptop is only 1.5 month old, and this is MacBook 2020 with M1 chip, as I told you earlier. So after that I visit Apple service station. They fix my screen and I show you. So now this is my same MacBook, but my screen is now replaced. As you seen, there is a sticker which is around Apple logo, and now my screen is replaced by Apple. So my screen is now working fine, and take a look, this part is now whole replaced by Apple substation. It's cost in India around 55,000 rupees,